boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Rod Wave here with a song called Crazy. It's crazy good. Nice to play this song here, and it's a little bit addictive. Sometimes you get that songs that really are nice to play. So yeah, we're gonna learn some chords here for this one. Very simple chords, so no big challenges here. We're gonna set our capo on 3rd fret, all right? And let's take a look at the chords first. We have the C major 7, that is 3rd on A and 2nd on D. Then open G, open B, and open E. We have the E minor 7, so you just need to hold 2nd on the A string. All the other strings are open. And then we have the F sus, but with an A in the bass. So what that means is you're gonna play open A, then 3rd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have this B version of a chord here that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, so there you have all the chords needed. We're gonna look at the strumming pattern and we're gonna illustrate it with the first chord, that's a C major 7. We have 2 different parts in this strumming, alright? So we're gonna learn the parts separately, but first one full round of strumming sounds like this. Okay, so the first part is down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, down. And then the second part is just simply down, clap. And that's it. So together it will be. Right? So we have one chord progression that goes from the beginning till the very end of this song. So you're gonna play C major 1 round, then E minor 1 round, then back to C major there 1 round, and then E minor you play just the part 1, and then you're gonna play the F sus chord 1 down on that one, and then the B 1 down on that one. So C major 1 full, E minor 1 full, back to C major 1 full, then E minor part 1, then F sus just 1 down, pause, and then B 1 down and pause. And that's what's going on. I'm going to take you through this a little bit slower than standard tempo. Let's go. And that's it. Another round, since it's that addictive that I said in the beginning here. It goes like this, a little bit faster in somewhat of a standard tempo. Alright guys, that's it for Rod Waves Crazy. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know. Until next time, play tuned.